Welcome folks back to another video. It's a good one today. Today we're heading up to New York to Lake Chautauqua to do some fishing. So stay tuned. I have no idea what I'm going to get into today. But let's go fishing. We have a We have a 2-hour drive to Lake Chautauqua. So I'll see you on the water. As you can see right now on the live scope, all these white bass are just piled up. Now I just gotta try to catch them.
I think I can see the school right here.
Oh really?
Look at it.
Oh yeah, that's 100% them.
That's 35. So it appears to be like 10, 12 feet deep over there.
Oh really? Oh, so it is over there?
Yeah, watch. Right there.
Gosh.
What's
so
the
funny.
best one yet?
Oh.
If it wasn't Wally Marshall, I would know that these are. Dang it. Don't do that. Not through there.
Yeah, this is too big.
I just wish there was something else. I wish they were perfect. This is a good one.
Uh-huh.
He's pulling drag.
They're going sideways?
Coming in. That's why you
Definitely. There it is.
got him. There they are. You found them. They went the other way.
Oh.
It's a good one.
There we go. That's where the osprey need to be.
Oh yeah. Good one.
Oh yeah.
I think he just bounced off the pole. I think he pulled too hard up. It bounced him off that pole.
Uh-oh. There you
Oh,
go.
that flag's coming. This would be great for something else, but there's no way.
Don't walleye. Yeah,
Not this time of day. Biggest one yet.
oh, actually, it's kind of big.
White bass.
Oh,
Yeah, under them boats it's about 10 feet.
there they are.
Got one.
Yeah. Or he must know the process.
Oh, I missed one.
He's back.
I missed it in this. Another one.
Followed it in.
Come on.
Oh, that's a fish.
Oh, dang it. I was seriously, on my tongue was just, ease up, ease up. Dang it, that was awesome.
No, he went right down to the weed.
Yeah, I was going to say ease up and I would have moved over.
You know what? That did not break me off. That bar broke me off.
That's right.
Feel my line?
Yeah, you were over a bar.
Look how hard though.
Dang.
That was like.
Just about to say. Good deal.
Food here is absolutely just amazing. I don't know. It was just so simple, like fries and chicken tenders, but it was still so good. Maybe I was just really hungry. Anyways, we've been fishing for like the past 2 hours, hour and a half. Caught just a ton of striped bass. Missed out on a couple of largies, I think. They just came off. The weeds here are just insanely thick, so it's hard to like catch or try to like pull them in through the weeds. But No excuses. We're gonna land some larges. And probably some more striped bass. And hopefully a walleye. Or a couple walleye. Anyways, let's continue with today's journey.
Come on. What are we doing here? Roots? Oh, we got my line. Biggest perch of the day. You're good, you're good. Get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in.
Not that big, but nice perch.
This is better. This is like a wall. Jeez. This is messed up.
Another minute, another perch.
Fish? Yeah. Nice. Nice. Bass. Bass. What is this?
Panfish?
It's a crappie.
Is it?
It's a monster crappie.
No way.
What? That's a
Wow.
We have to eat them? What? Get another one.
It's at 14 feet.
I was looking at it, I'm like, what is this thing?
Look at that fish, man.
Get a length down. Maybe just toss him back.
Yeah, I think we'll just toss him back.
Get him.
What an absolute beautiful fish. Let's catch some more crappie. Let's go. Wow. 12-inch black crappie. Can't beat that.
Oh, look at it. Should have had osprey. I was about to
dive
say
bomb.
going in. He's coming in.
Super loose drag.
What do you think? If this is a walleye, you should have kept that.
I think it's a crappie.
It's another crappie. Look at you. Dang it, we should have kept it.
No way. It's crazy.
Nice.
No way. Another absolute slap crappie. A little bit smaller,
Think
but
so?
still an eater for sure.
Just pick it right up.
It is the next morning. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know we didn't really catch anything too major, but it was still fun. We still got to slam some white bass as well as crappie and perch. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, we should have another one out soon. I actually just made a video and accidentally deleted the whole thing again, so stay tuned. We'll have some more videos for you out. Love you guys.